Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, have you ever found yourself in that embarrassing spot where you know that you need to clean your teeth, but there's no good place for you to do it? Well, then I have to tell you that I love these wipes. These are the oral teeth wipes from MySmile. They are so simple to use and super slim to carry. Look at that. All you got to do is carry a few wipes with you, and that's all. So all you do is open your baggie, put the wipe on your finger, and clean your teeth. It is soft. It doesn't actually cut your mouth at all. I mean, you might, when you see it, you might get intimidated. You think, oh, I might cut my mouth. No, no. And I love that peppermint sensation that it helps to leave your mouth clean and fresh and ready to go on with your day. So again, if you are looking for something that is convenient for you to use to keep your mouth clean throughout the day when you're working at school or anywhere, I will definitely recommend these wipes from MySmile. But hey, that is just my point of view.